Hello everyone, this is Angie at Stampin' with Amore, and today I'm sharing this cute little Easter treat holder. Although after I finished it, I thought this would be a really cute one for a baby shower. It would be super adorable, especially with, oops, the pastel colors. You can even use these bunnies for this. And the bunnies, actually the head of the bunny, I saw someone do this on Pinterest, and they just used the head of the bunny, but I decided I didn't think I was going to use it, so I didn't save the post. So I don't know who to give credit to, but if you're watching, thank you for the idea of these bunny heads. It was brilliant. I thought it was super cute and a great idea, but then I decided after I could use this, I use make a little body for him. So that's what I did with this one. I gave him a little body and a little fluffy tail. And so this is what I'm sharing today. It's really not a difficult box at all to create, and it's super cute. But it would make a really cute little baby favor too if you're not going to do an Easter project. All right, so let's get started with this. I am changing the color up. This one, I used the designer series, that paper that is called Pleased as Punch. This is one of our coordination papers. I use this piece right here, but it's actually the back of the heart one, and then it's got tulips and the little rain shower and the little umbrellas. This is really a great springtime one. I'm not sure if this is still available. At last that I looked, but it was a while ago, that it was still available. So you can check it out on my blog at stampinwithamore.com. and you could just shop from there. But anyway, that's what I used. The little straws that I used for this are these right here, and I actually got these at Mardell. I was looking for some other Easter stuff, and so this is, I've spotted this, and it looked like all the Stampin' Up! Colors. So I decided I was going to get these, and I figured something out to do with them. And so it came in so handy for this little box. But anyway, I'm using this time this green one right here. I pulled it out because I'm using Pyjas in this one. But this goes really well with either the Blushing Bride or the Petal Pink. This is really good with Pacific Point. And this one would be for Highland Heather or Gorgeous Grape. And they just stuck out to me, so I got them. All right, so to start this, you'll need a piece of 10 by 6 cardstock. This is the Pyjas. You're going to need 4 pieces of designer series paper, and yes, I'm using the gingham because the gingham looks so cute on this box. So you need 4 pieces that are 1 7/8 by 1 7/8, and then it's the 6 by 6 pack, by the way, of subtles that I'm using for this. Then I am using the Stitched So Sweetly dies. I'm using this one. You know, I've used those a lot. I didn't grab the dies. I don't know. They're here somewhere, but I've been doing a bunch of videos, so I don't know where it is. But believe me, this comes from the Stitch So Sweetly dies. And then I think that's everything. So, oh, you do need the little daisy punch. This is the medium one. So you do need that for this. All right, so let's go ahead and score this. And it's really easy scoring. You're going to score it on the 10-inch side at 2, 4, 6, and 8. And then you're going to turn it and you're going to score it at 2 and 4. Really easy. You're going to have to do some hand scoring, so I'm going to leave that stylus out for a minute. All right, so the first thing that we're going to do here is we are going to cut. Now these are all equal squares, so you can start at either side. So we're going to cut this one off. Got to get that a little straighter. And then we're going to cut this other corner off. And then you are going to cut in this one and this one. we are going to cut this side about a 1/2 inch. These are going to be our glue tabs here. And then I'll cut in these. And then we're going to do the same on this side. Going to cut in there, there, and then we're going to cut up these two. All right, I don't usually save them this big unless, I think I'm going to use it for something, but I do save these, the bigger ones, because you can always use those. All right, so now we are going to hand score here a little bit. Let me grab my ruler here. So on this corner here and this one, we are going to score from this corner to this corner right here. I'll show you up close after I get them scored. So you're going to score there, and then you're going to score from this corner to this. So you have it looking like that. All right, now we have to cut. Score it. I was looking for my pencil, and of course it's not right by me right now. Oh, here it is, right in front of me. So to cut this, you want to cut from this corner to this. So from that score mark to this. So I'm just going to mark it so you can see where we're going to cut. And then from this one to that. I wouldn't mark it normally because my scissors fit almost perfectly across there. But that's how you are going to cut the ends off, like that. So I'm going to cut on those. And then we're going to cut from that one to that. And now I'm going to just erase that mark because I don't want it showing on my box. All right, so let's move that all out of the way. So now this is what it's going to look like. Now we're going to sharpen all our score marks. And I do also sharpen these right here. I just kind of go inside here and just give them a little sharpening there. It will help for you to bring this, it does go together well, but if you score it, it even goes together better. All right, so we have everything scored here. Oh, these two. And now we are ready to put it together. I'm going to use tear and tape for this. So you're going to put tear and tape on these pieces here, all four. All right, and then we are going to remove these backings. And we are going to start putting this together. So we are going to line this up here. Oops. Be very careful when you use tear and tape. I just messed that up. Let me see if I can, there we go. Whew. Thought I was going to ruin it. It's got a little stray piece right here I need to cut off. Okay. And then this one. I'm glad that's the bottom of the box. And then this one and that one. All right, so there's our pieces. This is going to go inside. These are going to bend down and up, just like that. I'm going to go ahead and add my Designer Series paper. Just going to use wet glue. I used wet glue before. I didn't use the tear and tape because exactly what happened was I got it stuck there. That's exactly why I didn't want to use it, but I thought it'd be quicker for the video because you have to kind of hold it together for a minute. but use whatever your adhesive choice is. Isn't that cute with the little gingham? I love gingham. I hope gingham never goes away. I love the gingham paper. As you probably can tell. All right, now I'm just using a regular hole punch here. You need it a little bit bigger for the straw to fit through, and then we're going to punch there and there, and try to punch them, you know, pretty close to, you know, each one so they do, and it fits pretty good in here. Pretty tight, and it's really, and then you're just going to snip this off however big you want it. Just like that. You can use this for several. I mean, I think you can make 3 probably out of one of those. All right. So there we have the box there. So let's go ahead and decorate, and I'll show you how to make these bunnies. All right. I went ahead and I already sent that one through, so we're going to do our sentiment on that. We're going to use just the Memento Black, and we're going to use the Easter Greetings, which is from our Fable Friends. Okay, so then we're going to stamp that. I hope my head doesn't get in the way and I get this on here straight. Not perfect, but that's all right. And then I'm going to use some Pear Pizzazz. And I'm actually using this itty bitty flower. It's really tiny little flower, but it's from this Thoughtful Blooms stamp set. So I'm going to use the Pear Pizzazz, and I'm just going to put some little, just to add some little design on here. I think that's all I'm going to do, because we're going to have the bunny on this side. All right, so let's go ahead and get our bunny going. So you are going to need this daisy punch. This is the medium one, and you are going to only put this daisy. Actually, I only did it like on half of it. And then I'm going to need 2 of them, so I'm going to do another one. And then I'm going to punch a 1/2 inch circle. And then I'm going to just use my regular hole punch again, and I'm going to punch 1 for his little bunny tail. All right, let's put his bunny tail on first, because I don't want to lose it. Okay, so what you're going to do here is just use your snips. And I think I should have cut it a little bit bigger on that one. And you're just going to cut out 2 of these. I'm actually going to make the other one a little bit bigger. So I'll just punch another one. So you're just going to snip off 2 like that. And I'm going to do another one, and I'm going to make it a little bit bigger, so I have more room to tuck underneath his little body. It gives him like you're just cutting off the little daisy part. But isn't that a cute idea? Someone had a really, really good idea, and I had to share it with y'all because it's so cute. All right, so let's move these out of the way, and let's get this going. I'm going to actually just use some wet glue so I can move this if I need to, because it's going to go under our sentiment here, and I want to make sure he just like peeking out from the side. And then the other one, we are going to put him on first. And again, I'm just using the wet glue so that I can move it if I need to. And this is just going to go over his body like that. Oops. I'm going to move it down just a hair. Just like that. Look how cute. I think I'm going to make quite a few of these. These are so cute. Here's the other one. Oh, I need to move his head up a little bit. There we go. Kind of moved on me. Aren't those cute though? I hope you enjoyed it. If you need any supplies, you can go to my blog at stampingwithamore.com and shop from my blog. There's my March hostess code, same as usual. And if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. Hit the bell for notifications each time I upload a new video. Have a blessed day, everyone. I'll catch you in the next one. See you later. Bye.